Our skin is our body's first barrier against harmful outside elements. It protects us inside and out. Because of this, we need to take care of our skin as well as it takes care of us. Good skincare and healthy lifestyle choices can help delay the natural aging process and help prevent skin problems. In addition to exercising and eating right, it's also important to treat our skin well. Healthy skin can help us look, feel, and live our lives to the fullest. With this in mind, Max International introduces the Visible Solutions skincare system to maintain, protect, and enhance our skin. Visible Solutions has been reformulated as a complete skincare solution designed to create visible results while helping our skin to be healthy and beautiful. Max International has applied its extensive scientific knowledge and experience to create an integrated system that will help your skin to be its best. Capitalizing on the science of increasing glutathione support to help defend against many harmful effects, Visible Solutions works to minimize the oxidative stress that increases as we age. The four components of Visible Solutions work together to provide your skin with results that you can see and feel. Individually, these products help clean, exfoliate, protect, and moisturize. Used together daily, they're a powerful system that can help your skin maintain a healthy appearance at any age. Visible Solutions Purifying Cleanser is an important first step in ensuring your skin starts and ends each day refreshed and pristine. Utilizing various cleansers to wash away dirt and oil to keep blemishes away, the Purifying Cleanser prepares your skin to receive the benefits of the full Visible Solutions system. The next step is to exfoliate, and with Visible Solutions, you can have brighter, smoother skin in just 1 minute with the 1 Minute Wonder Gentle Exfoliator. This exclusive amino nutrient complex is an aloe base exclusive to Max International. In as little as 60 seconds, it will help to remove dull, dead skin cells, leaving your skin bright and silky smooth. It contains no harsh abrasives and is great for sensitive skin too. Visible Solutions Facial Serum is your next step towards a complexion that appears healthy and luminous. In addition to your skin appearing firmer and smoother, Max International has included a special patented applicator that complements this powerful product. This innovative applicator has a special tip designed to help soothe and refresh your skin's most delicate areas. This tip is comprised of a unique patented alloy that stays cool to the touch, even at room temperature. Its cooling touch helps reduce the appearance of puffiness under your eyes as you apply the serum, which is designed to help combat the effects of decreased glutathione production and aging. As a final step, enhance your skin's supple appearance and keep it looking even and healthy with Max's Soothing Moisturizer. Designed to maximize hydration, this soothing, great-smelling moisturizer will leave your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and luminous. Give yourself the skincare solution you deserve. And let your beauty shine through with the incredible benefits of the Visible Solutions skincare system. Skincare technology designed to help you look, feel, and live your best. Available exclusively through Max International.